subscribers. Today we have got you a fun activity. In this activity, you will have to guess 3-letter words and fix the puzzle. For that, the clue is given with the clock. Can you do it? Baby, today we are going to have a game. It's fun with words. You're going to solve 3-letter puzzle. For solving this 3-letter puzzle, I will give you a clue. Shall we see the clue? For solving this puzzle, I have this clue for you. See, we have a clock here and a letter over it. If you fix the time, you will get the puzzle. Shall we see the clues?
Yes.
Here is the clue. Can you crack the word with the help of the clock?
Yes.
Good. Shall we start with the first question?
Yes.
It's 12 o'clock. What is the letter associated with 12 o'clock? It's? Yes. So can you write on the answer sheet? Write it in the cursive. Okay. Okay. Can you set 4 hours 20 minutes now?
Yes.
And find the word?
Yes.
Can you do it now?
Yes.
Please do. So what is the word?
420.
420 is time. What is the word that 420 is showing? It's?
You.
Okay, can you write it in the answer sheet?
Yes.
Okay. Write you. Cursive you. Okay. Shall we see the next word? So can you set 2 hours 10 minutes? It's 2:10. Okay, what's the word?
Yen.
Can you write it in the answer sheet?
Yes.
Good. So the word is? Yes, you, yen.
Sun.
So can you fix the puzzle now?
Yes.
Can you take the word sun from the words here?
Yes.
So we have U and N. So you need a yes. Good. Can you fix the puzzle?
Yes.
Good. The word is?
Sun.
So the sun gives us?
Light.
Good. Shall we go for the next word?
Yes.
Can you find the second word?
Yes.
Do it, baby. 7 hours 35 minutes. It's 7:35. What's the word for 7:35? It's? Tell me the word that is showing 7:35. What is the word?
R.
Good. Can you write it in the sheet?
Yes.
Write it in cursive. Can you find the next word
Yes.
by seeing the clock? Can you set 1 hour 45 minutes?
Yes.
1:45. 1:45. Good. Can you tell me the word? For 1, it's.
Yeah.
For 45, it's.
T.
So can you write it?
Yes.
After R, can you write A and T?
Yes.
Good. Can you fix the puzzle now?
Yes.
Can you take RAT
Yes.
and fix it in the new box?
Yes.
So we are done with the word. It's
Rat.
good. Can we go for the third word?
Yes.
The next one is, can you set 9 hours 30 minutes? 9:30. So the word is, for 9 it's,
T.
for 30 it's.
O.
Okay, can you write it on the paper?
Yes.
Please write it. On the third one, yes. Write it in the cursive. Okay, the final word is 5 hours 25 minutes. Can you fix the time to 5 hours 25 minutes? 5:25.
Yes, done.
The word is?
P.
Okay, can you write it on the paper?
Yes.
Please write. So the word is TOP. Top.
Top.
You like the toy, right? You like top a lot. Isn't it?
Yes. Done. Yeah, done.
Okay, can you fix the puzzle now?
Yes.
Can you take the word TOP, top?
Yes.
Take the word and fix it in the next box.
Okay.
Okay, so can you fix it?
Yeah.
You like top, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good. So we are done with the 3 words. Shall we go for the 4th word?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, can we start with the next one? It's 3 hours 5 minutes.
Okay.
3:05. Can you set the clock?
Yeah.
So the words are, for 3 it's,
5.
3 it's, what is the word?
3.
For 3, the word is,
Yeah.
For 5, the word is.
Ye.
So can you write it?
Yes.
Please write it on the paper. This time write it correctly. Can you write it correctly?
Yes.
Write it on the paper. So the first word is F. Second word is A. Can you write it on the paper?
Yes.
Turn your pencil. F, A. The third word is 2 hours 10 minutes. Can you set the clock to 2 hours 10 minutes?
Yes.
2:10. The time is 2:10. 2:10. So the word is
Yet.
yen. Can you write it on the paper?
Yes.
Please write. Can you fix the puzzle now?
Yes.
Can you take the word F-A-N?
Fan. Violet. What is violet? This is violet.
Okay. So we are done with the words. R-A-T rat, S-U-N sun, T-O-P top, F-A-N fan. Shall we go for the next word?
Yes.
The next word is. Can you find the next word is? The clue is 10 hours 55 minutes. It's 10:55. Can you rotate the clock?
Yes.
10:55. You're doing in the clockwise direction. 10:55. No, you're doing it wrong. 10:55. Good. Yes, you are doing it right. Where are you going now? 10:55. Words are
He.
okay. Can you write it?
Yes.
Write it in the cursive. Don't forget. The last word is 2 hours 10 minutes. It's 2:10. Can you set 2:10?
Yes. Yes.
2:10. The word is.
Yen.
So can you write it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Can you fix the puzzle now?
Yes.
Take the word H-E-N.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Can you take it to the next board and fix it over there? So we are done with the fifth word, right? So we are done with the fifth word. The word is hen.
Hen.
Hen gives us egg. Egg is rich of proteins.
Egg is rich of protein.
Good.
Good.
Can we go for the next word?
Yes.
Okay. The next word is your favorite word. Can you give a guess?
Yes.
You know the word?
Yes.
Can you tell us?
Yes. That is a car.
Can we see is your guess right?
Yeah.
Can you ask the clock to give you answer?
Yeah.
So set the timings. 8 hours, 5 minutes. It's 8:05. 8, 5.
I try. I try.
So the words are for 8 it's
C.
for 5 it's
A.
so can you write it on the paper?
Yeah.
Please write it.
Yeah.
Can you do it fast?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The last word is 7:35. Can you say the time is 7:35?
Yeah.
7 hours 35 minutes. 7:35. The word is
R.
so your guess is correct.
Yeah.
Can you take the words of the word that you found now? Your favorite word?
Yes. This is sedan car.
Superb.
I like the sedan car.
Which sedan car do you like?
Not sedan car. I like the Hyundai Venue.
Superb. Can you set it in the next one? Next box. Can you place the word car in the next box? So we have done with 6 words. The last word we have here. So shall we have the clues now?
Yeah.
First word for guesses. Can you find it?
Yeah.
Can you set the clock to 1:10? It's 1 hour 10 minutes.
Yeah.
1:10.
Yes.
Oh, good. So what the words are?
Yeah.
Okay. So write it.
Yeah.
Write it in cursive. Here we. Okay. The next one is 9 hours 45 minutes. Can you set 9 hours 45 minutes?
Yes.
9:45. Time is 9:45 now. The word is.
T.
Can you write it on the paper?
Yeah.
Superb. So we are done with the sheet. Shall we have a look? Sun, rat, fan, top, hen, car, ant. So we are going to fix the word ant now. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Please do it. Ant, what's the spelling? A N and T. You should fix the same way. So we are done. Can you keep it in the next box? Box is ready. Can you say the word one more time for me? Starting from sun.
Sun, rat, dog, fan, hen, car, ant.
Superb. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, Mom.
Stay tuned until the next video.